How is Keen different? Different from every other company. So if you can imagine I was holding up a shoe right here, there's probably like 30 or 40 or 50 different materials in this shoe, this imaginary shoe that you see right here. Since our beginning 16 years ago, we've been conscious of how we create our products. But more importantly, we want to be conscious of our impact on the planet.
Eco anti-odor foot odor management. On our detox journey, one of the first things we attacked was foot odor management. The conventional paradigm was to spray pesticides inside the shoes to fight the foot funk. And we started looking for alternatives, and we found by using a naturally occurring probiotic that can be electrostatically connected to linings within a shoe, it has been just as effective as pesticides. We have saved 15,400 pounds of pesticides from going into the broader environment every year. PFC is poly and perfluorinated chemistry. The beading phenomena and the beads of moisture go flying off your jacket or pants. PFCs in general as a class of chemicals are the most heinous things we could be using. It doesn't break down.
How are those chemicals getting there? They're getting there through the water cycle. Those same chemicals are so darn strong that they tend to collect up in the natural environment to toxic levels to a point now where polar bears is in their blood.
We can say with a clear conscience and certainty that we are 95% plus PFC-free. Better leather is leather that has been tanned responsibly.
Leather tannery is known for creating a lot of wastewater. And that goes straight into the watershed, into the rivers.
So we want to do everything in our power to waste as little as possible.
How can they recycle better and to get to this idea of zero discharge of hazardous chemicals?
The water itself is put through a very rigorous filtration process, and it literally goes from looking like almost black to crystal clear. It's made a remarkable difference in terms of getting watersheds to come back and flourish. For 16 years, Keen has been on a journey to use the power of our economic weight to make the world a better place. As far as I know, Keen is the only brand in our industry doing these things, and I'm really proud of that. There is no business on a dead planet, so live in favor of the future and respect the natural order of things.